There I am. Welcome to the vlog. Look at this. That used to be chewed bubblegum pink. It's not anymore. The white door, white cupboards. Wall, the ceiling that needs attention. What do we got here? A bee. No, it's a wasp. It's looking pretty good. I had to cut this in again. Might need it again in there, actually.
Yeah, I can see it on the bottom.
Yeah. So that's interesting. That'll be 4 coats?
Yeah.
How many coats did we put on it?
Yeah.
The wall, 4?
Yeah, at least 4.
Yeah.
No, we put 4 on. Yeah, we rolled 4. And,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it's gonna be good enough because it'll be some other freaking color soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Can you paint? No, you can't paint. Sorry. You can hire professionals to do it for you, and we choose the colors.
How about beige?
This is a color I call wet kitten.
The color is the same as the last one. Huh.
Imagine. It's warm. $50.
Yeah.
That was worth it this time.
What do you need from a grocery store?
Something to eat. Really.
Yeah, that's kind of all I'm doing.
I just don't want to make lunch.
I think I might go to the deli.
Okay. I forgot to record earlier. Show the transformation of that apartment. It's quite, well, I guess if you go back a week or so, you'll see that it's changed a bit. A little underexposed here. What's going on? That might be a little better. Yeah, so that apartment's getting just about wrapped up. Tomorrow we'll patch the floor and in the bathroom. Hopefully, I don't know, get rid of that cat urine smell. But if not, I don't know. We'll leave it for the new tenant to try and figure out. Yeah, so what a mess. That's why don't rent to people with pets. Especially younger people. They don't look after things at all. When the guy put the air conditioner in, that I ended up having to redo, he'd taken a knife and cut the screen out to put the air conditioner in. That was a new window last year. Brand new screen and window. So yeah, you gotta get people that use Google at least to see how to do things and not just packets and stuff. Anyways, it's looking good. It looks hundreds of times better than what it did. We're getting rid of the purples and the pinks, to making it all that nice wet kitten color. I think that's going to work really well. It's going to make a big difference for the boat. This is how I have it plumbed. I don't know, I think I might have to figure out a different way for this. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'd like a larger tank because I'm gonna have to bring that other tank anyways. So maybe we'll put it in another fuel tank. Oh, there I am. So that fuel tank, I don't know. We'll see how things go. One of my concerns was the fuel siphoning down, but I don't think that's a concern with this pump. It's an electric magnetic thing. I guess we'll find out next time we turn it on. There, I should have marked maybe the level of fuel in that can yesterday before I fired it up. Oh well, we'll find out soon enough. Figured I'd just come in and find out myself. So push our power button. See what happens. It's doing its thing. Wish that was easier to read. It is what it is. Temp now before I turn it off. Here's the instruction book. Air heater KW258. This is supposed to be an 8, but I'm told that they are all exactly the same. So, installing fueling device. I can smell the exhaust from outside now. Okay, it's working. Starting to take off. Hey, you run a couple of these on one fuel source. That's good. Shows that I can have the tank above. That's all I wanted to know. Max 3 meters away from the pump. H is okay. So to turn this off, push and hold this until it says off. There we go. Now it turns the pump off and lights the glow plug. It keeps it lit until all the fuel's out of the system. Wow, that is good news. No siphoning. Okay, yeah, now I just gotta figure out another tank situation. I don't know where I'm gonna put this 5-gallon tank unless I dedicate another 5-gallon tank that I have for diesel in that area. We'll see. Maybe I've got a 2.5-gallon tank. Maybe I can do 2.5. Oh well. This trip, I think we're going to take one full 5-gallon, maybe 2.5 as well, and we'll bring 5 gallons of diesel fuel. So let's see how well that does us. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Please click clicky things. Remember to be nice to people, wash your hands, wear a mask, and no hugs. See you tomorrow.